Hello world, today's speedrun on the Chat GPT. Chat is a chatbot that is able to conduct a dialogue, look for errors in the code, compose poetry, write scripts, and even argue. The neural network can be used for free. For this, you only need to register on the OpenAI website. What can Chat do? Write code. The chatbot tells you how to perform an operation or process, and also looks for bugs or translates code from one programming language to another. Answer difficult questions. At the same time, according to user observations, the quality of responses is higher than that of Google search. Create scripts. With the help of Chat, you can generate new episodes of OTE series or set certain tasks for the heroes of the cinematic universe. The chatbot is also able to generate a game based on the movie, compose lyrics and sheet music, write essays and essays. A researcher from Google said that the chatbot wrote an essay about the difference in the approaches to nationalism of political scientists Benedict Anderson and Ernest Gellner in just a minute. Other users showed how the neural network wrote essays about diversity in the modern world and the expansion of the United States to the West in the 6th century. This is progress, and this is just the beginning.